Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sonic Love. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the RG35XX H. But this one, so far, has been my favourite. I absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's jump in to the unboxing and first impressions of the RG35XX H. So here we have the transparent white version of the RG35XX H. I thought this one out of them all was well suited for myself. It does come with a black version and a transparent purple, but I did like this a lot. You can internally see all the goodness, which is really nice. At the bottom you can see that we have two FT card slots, one that I've put in myself, and obviously we have one for the operating system, which is on the left, two firing down front bottom facing speakers, which sounds really good actually, to be honest, for such a budget priced handheld, which is really good. We have the renowned and amazing D-pad from our good friends from Anbernic. This one that I found, it just seems to be a little bit more stiffer and firmer than usual. I'm not too sure why, but after prolonged fighting games, it did tend to hit the bottom of my thumb. So I'm not too sure whether either the actual conductive pads that they've used underneath are a little bit more firmer than usual. Not too sure, but I had no problems at all with any fighting games. The response is absolutely incredible. So if you're a fighting game fanatic, platformer fanatic, then you'll have no issues. The inputs are really nice. We have our trigger buttons at the top. We also have our 3.5mm headphone jack, OTG HDMI out. If you wish to use it as a console itself, you can, and hook it up to the screen. We also have our DC charging and a function button. We have our triggers at the top. We have R2, R1 and L2 and L1. So not too bad. All in all, okay, and really nice. The travel on the buttons are really good. I'm not too sure if you can see, but like, it is really chunky and it's quite firm. At the side we have a reset button and a power. We can put the system to sleep. I am using stock version, guys, but I know that there is a multitude of choices for custom firmware for this. I am yet to try it out, but as I say, it can play up to PSP. Not everything. It won't play your God of War perfectly, but it can play some pretty good, amazing games on there. Likewise with N64 and likewise with Dreamcast. I will do a demonstration of some of the games a little bit further down in the video. But overall, this unit itself has just been an absolute joy. It's pocketable. You can just take it anywhere with you on the go. It's comfortable. Yeah, I'd say the only thing that I am a little bit peeved off with is just the limitations that you have with the stock firmware itself. I'll show you what I mean by that. So if we just go into, so here we have Afterburner. You think it'd be great. We type in a little bit of left, select a little bit of right, start, add a credit. As soon as you go in, you're getting really excited to go into the game. And then you find out it's not mapped at all. The buttons are, but nothing else is. You press the function button, and it takes you to exit game, save game, load game, restart game, video display effect, and background brightness. There is no way of adjusting anything else at all, so you can't remap the buttons and so forth. And you get that quite a lot with any racing game. I found that like the majority of games themselves are okay, but any flying games, any car driving games, then you will struggle. There's an easy fix around to that. Obviously, if we come out, we go to exit game, if we head over to RetroArch, if we go to the same game, you'll now see that we are okay and we are good to go. But the good thing about RetroArch is when you press the function button, you can then go into the menus, and we can go all the way down to options or controllers, and we can set up and do a lot of tinkering. So there is a little bit of tinkering that you need to do, but not as much as what you would do with an Android device. So that's not too bad. But apart from that, that's the only thing that I'm a little bit peeved off with. And obviously RetroArch is a lot better to adding more systems. I do hope to get Kariki, but yeah, I'd love to know in the comments, guys, what custom firmware that you're using at the moment and what you think is best, depending for this, like Bottasera Lite, Kariki, simple menu. I'd love to know what you think, guys. But yeah, overall I do think that it's a not bad experience. But overall I think this is one of the best little handhelds that you can get at the moment. That is, yeah, small enough to fit in your pocket, powerful enough to play some decent games, and for £50, £55 that you can get it now second hand, yeah, you can't beat it really. It's really, really good. So let me jump into some gameplay and show you the performance. Let's go with some Tekken 6.
Round 1.
Let's go with some Ridge Racer.
3, 2, 1, go! 3 laps to go. Yes! Okay, let's go. Just a little bit more.
Let's move on to some Dreamcast. go with some Power Stone 2.
Welcome to the Power Stone world. Fight for your freedom. Escape from the castle. A solid beginning may lead to a perfect ending. Go for it. What's going on here? I have a very bad feeling about this place. You better stay alert. Let the battle begin. Go!
So as you can see, the graphics are really crisp, really sharp. The colours are very well saturated. Yeah, I really can't fault it, really. As I say, can it run all Dreamcast games? No, but it runs the ones that it can very well, and you will not be disappointed. Same with Game Boy, any type of system right the way up to PS1 looks absolutely fantastic on here. I will showcase a little bit, but if you want to see a bigger showcase, guys, of all the higher end systems and maybe test out some custom firmware, then let me know in the comments what you would like to see tested, and I will gladly do that for you. But overall, guys, I think that this is one of the best starter handhelds that you can actually get. £50, you can get it on eBay, and it just plays really well. Been really happy with it. Vibration works, yeah, everything you just would want. I wish this had been my first handheld that I got. I would have been so happy with it. And if you have it already, guys, let me know what you think. But overall, I am absolutely loving it. It's really good. I will do some more videos, guys, showcasing performance. But yeah, good to be back. A like would be incredible, guys. I haven't been uploading videos for a while, so if you could help me with my algorithm and bump it up there a little bit, that would be fantastic. But overall, I'm so happy with this handheld. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.